Hello and welcome back. In this video lesson we're going to create our Active Directory structure. We will create a few organizational units, users, groups, and also logon scripts. Let's start by going to Active Directory users and computers snap-in. We have already created our organizational unit here for our HR department. We are going to create a couple more. Let's create another organizational unit for accounting and another one for IT. We will create a couple of users in each. It is quite a repetitive task, so I'm going to fast forward it. Now I am going to create a group for the accounting department. I will make all of people in this OU members of this group. Now we have a few groups, users, and different organization units. Next thing that I want to show you is creating a shared folder and logon scripts. These scripts will map a shared folder to users' computers upon every login. Let's go to our computer, C drive, and we are going to create a folder here. Let's create a folder for the HR department. Create a new folder and now let's share it. To do it, go to Properties, click on Sharing and click on Share. Now you can see only administrators in the list. What you want to do now is add everyone and give that group read and write permissions. This folder has been shared. Next step is we have to go and add NTFS permissions to the appropriate group in order for members of this group to access this folder. Currently everyone can access this folder. We don't want that. We want only the members of the HR group to be able to access this folder. Let's edit that. We will remove everyone and add the HR group with the full control permission to this folder. In order to demonstrate how this works, I am going to go to my workstation and log in as one of the HR users. Since we are logging in for the first time, we are seeing these messages. Now you can open any folder and in address field just type / and the name of your server. Notice these two system folders here. According to Microsoft, Sysvol folder is a shared directory that stores the server copy of the domain's public files that must be shared for common access and replication throughout a domain. It contains logon scripts, group policies, and some other files. NetLogon points to the scripts folder inside of Sysvol. Let's go to our HR folder. I have full permission to it as Jennifer and I can create a file. Let's create a simple text document just like so and let's save it there. I am going to log off and log in as a different user. I'm going to log in as Claire, who is not supposed to have access to the HR folder. Let's try to connect to our shared folder as Claire. We can see the same folders, but let's see what happens when you try to go to the HR folder. This message says that we don't have permission to the folder. And that is the way we set permissions on this folder. I am going to go back to our server and create a couple more shared folders for different departments. Now we have our folder structure in place. The last thing I wanted to show in this lesson is creating logon scripts. To create a logon script, you have to go to C drive and then Windows, go to Sysvol folder. Go to Domain and then the folder called Scripts. That's where logon scripts are stored. We are going to create a text file and we are going to name it bqual. We need to change the extension because logon scripts are supposed to have bat extension. And yes, I'm sure. Right-click on the file and select Edit. Here's the text need to type. Net use, and then you have to pick a letter for your drive. I will choose // and then type the name of your server, server 01 in my case, and then the name of your shared folder. I'm going to close it, save it. Now I am going to copy the name of this file. You have to go to Active Directory Users and Computers, snap in and find our user Claire. Double-click on it, go to the Profile tab and then put the name of your script here. Apply and OK. Now we can log in as Claire and we should see the map drive. We are logged in and let's check. Go to your PC and there we have it. There is our shared folder. That's how you automatically map shared drives to users' computers. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next lecture where we will dive a little deeper into user account management.